If you're someone who likes their work outfits to stand out but look professional at the same time, then our celebs help us with just the style inspiration we need. Hi, I am Elisha and this is Celeb Style Playbook for Pro Girls. So today we are breaking down a very professional look of Taapsee Pannu where she was seen pairing basics in the most unique way possible. Here is a look at what she was wearing. She wore a crisp white shirt with a pair of high-waist beige pants that had a broad belt, and she styled it with dainty layered necklaces and a pair of nerdy chic glasses and black strappy sandals. Down to the math now. Taapsee's outfit was from Anna Kwan and the shirt and trousers would cost you around 36,000. But let's recreate the look now. So this is me in a white shirt from Levi's that I got for 1200 only, and I have paired it with a similar pair of beige paper bag waist trousers from Forever 21 that I purchased just for 700 from Myntra. So in 1900, I got myself a classy and chic 9 to 5 look. Now you can keep it simple and just wear earrings and maybe a watch with it, or you can decide to style it with big round glasses and layered necklaces just the way that Taapsee did. Hi guys, I am Elisha and this is Celeb Style Playbook for Broke Girls. Now we all know that pantsuits are one of the biggest trends this decade. But a true fashionista finds ways to reinvent the staple. Just like how Taapsee styled a lilac pantsuit from Little Things with a tank top. The blazer was oversized and long line and the matching trousers were flared and cropped as well. Keeping it easy with the accessories, she sported the mile-high bun with a cute headband which stood out as a total winner. A pair of white closed-toe shoes rounded her look. This simple, comfy and chic look of Taapsee costs around 10,000 rupees. I am very impressed and inspired by this look, so I decided to recreate my own version of it. So guys, here I am wearing a blazer from Mango which is for 2500 and I styled it with a white tank top inside, and for my bottoms I decided to keep it easy, so I've picked a pair of relaxed cotton pants from Promode that cost 2000 rupees only. White sneakers, my hair up in a bun and a cute headband just like Taapsee is how I chose to style this look. This look is great for work as well as for a casual outing. Hi guys, I am Elisha. Welcome to Celeb Style Playbook for Pro Girls. Lately, I've been loving Priyanka's street style looks, and with winter approaching, these are just perfect to recreate. PC was dressed casually in a ribbed bell-sleeved crop top and mom jeans. Here, Priyanka has shown just a sliver of skin and she covered it up with a cozy wool cocoon coat. Her smart accessories made the look suave. From the Oliver Peoples aviators and the oversized hoops to the sleek cut-out loafers and the leather tote, all of these styling elements tied the look together. Time for some math. Here is the total cost of her look. The sweater, jacket, jeans and sunnies cost a whopping 70,000. So here's how I have recreated the look. So I'm wearing a pair of bootleg jeans from Levi's that cost rupees 2500. I've paired it with an orange turtleneck from Mango that I picked up for just rupees 3000. And I layered the look with a story black coat for around 2000. Now aren't those some crazy deals? These pieces are something I never would have imagined putting together, but thanks to PC, now I have my favorite winter outfit. Yo guys, what's up? This is Elisha and you're watching Celeb Style Playbook for Pro Girls. You must be thinking, how do I balance dramatic flared pants? Priyanka Chopra's outfit offers a clue. To even out the volume, choose a fitted top which shows off a bit of your skin. In a recent look, Chopra styled her pair of wide leg trousers in brown from SA with the yellow dot top that featured a plunging neckline. She also added a white black belt to the mix to complement her top and highlight the paper bag waist of her trousers. If you want to think beyond the jeans and top combination, borrow from PC's style book and invest in separates like hers for a brunch with your girls. The total of Priyanka's look is of about 45,000 rupees. Now given the plunging neckline of her top, Priyanka accessorized her look with a dainty gold chain necklace and multiple rings. Inspired? Well, let me show you my frugal version of this look. So for this look, both my top and pants are from Mango. These paper bag waist trousers are super comfy and I too decided to cinch my waist with a long line black belt. A plunging neckline black top, just like PC's, and dainty necklaces are how I decided to style the look. So this top and pants from Mango in total cost me only 4,000 rupees. And that's how I pulled this look together. Hi guys, I am Elisha and this is Celeb Style Playbook for Broke Girls. So when PC and I were having coffee, Priyanka Chopra Jonas, so she happened to tell me that her current fashion favorite is orange. Just kidding. Well, judging by Priyanka's recent look, it takes no genius to guess that the international star has been loving shades of orange. And one of her many orange looks that really stuck with me was an Alex Perry dress that she wore for a launch party. PC was seen sporting a pleated cape sleeve dress by Alex Perry paired with Louboutins, which were also in orange. Hair in soft curls and a tangerine lip rounded her look. Now down to the numbers, her Alex Perry dress plus the Louboutins cost roughly around rupees 3 lakhs. Whoa. Well, this broke girl accepts this challenge. Now here is my recreation of this look. So I happened to find this orange cape sleeve dress from Forever 21 for only 1,500 bucks. Now while Priyanka was wearing a bright orange dress that complements her skin tone better, I decided to go for a more sunset orange hue because I feel that goes better with my cooler skin tone. I decided to style the look with these pumps and boom! Now this look is perfect for days when you're feeling low and you want to brighten up your day.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.